Audio Jungle.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a master key. Okay, this is for the Onity HT22 system. You have to be in your main. Okay, you're gonna click clear. You're gonna click, this is the main menu. Okay, it's going to be the main menu, and then you're gonna click the right arrow, only one. Then you're right here, you're gonna get master user list, encode master card. You're gonna make a new one for somebody new, let's say a new housekeeper or a new maintenance or whatever you need. You have to go to the master's user list, and then right here there's a list of all the people that has a key, a master key. You want to make a new one. Okay, just find one. You can edit any of this as you want, but just click one. That's what I'm going to do. This one doesn't have a name. Okay, then just click enter, or you can go to add new. You see add new, click enter, and right here the name, you can put the name with these letters A to C. Let's do Anna. Click A, then click again, and with the arrows you can change whatever name you need. Something easy. Anna. Okay, once you got the name you need, you're gonna click enter. Right here you can choose, it's an emergency key, GM, MM for maintenance, HH for head housekeeper, HK used for a housekeeper. Okay, we do it for a housekeeper. You click enter, and then right here privacy override. Okay, this enter yes, but if you want the housekeeper to be able to open the door even if inside of the room the guest has the deadbolt on, if not, clear no. Okay, so it's for the housekeepers who want to put no. Office, no. Blocking override, no. Right here is very important, this, you see shift. What's shift? If you leave it right here in 0, or if yours is in number 1 or number 2, if it's in number 1, let's say change to number 1. If you change it to number 1, this key of the housekeeper only going to work on the first shift. Let's say maybe like 4 or 5 p.m. and whenever it's after those hours, the key is not going to work anymore. Let's say if they come back at night, they won't be able to open any doors. Okay, but if it is for your maintenance guy, you want to make sure that one is set to 0. When it's set to 0, that key can open the door any time of the day or night. Okay, 24 hours. So we're gonna change it to number 1. Click OK. Says operation OK. Okay, once you get this one, just click to main menu, and then you go to encode master card. Okay, click OK, and just look for the one you just created, one whatever name you gave. In this case mine, I set mine to Anna. Okay, just go find that one. Okay, right there we got it, Anna. Click enter, and right here you can change the date, the month, day, and year. We're just gonna change, if you want, you can change the year right here. 20. I'm gonna change it to 2021, or you can just change the month. If you know how many months or whatever. We're gonna do this one for 1 year. Okay, click enter, and then just insert card. Then you insert the card. There you go, operation okay. Now you have a key that opens all the doors in the hotel. But because this one was set only for first shift, we're going to test it. Right now it's 8 p.m. So this one in the office door it's not going to work anymore. It's not supposed to work. So we're going to open this door. This door you can only open it with a shift 0 with the high level. Okay, let's see if this one opens. You see, you're gonna see blinking red and green. That means you cannot open this door. It won't let you because it's already past the hours. Okay, that's how you do it. Any questions, just leave a comment and I will answer as soon as I can. Just give me a like and a thumbs up and share if anybody needs to know these questions. If you guys need anything else, just let me know. Okay, bye.